Lofi music, short for low fidelity, finds its origins in the imperfections of analog recording. The mid-20th century saw the rise of vinyl records and magnetic tape, technologies that, while revolutionary, introduced their own unique sonic quirks. These imperfections, often considered flaws by audiophiles, became the defining characteristics of lo-fi. Hisses, crackles and warbles, inherent to the recording process, added a warmth and rawness that contrasted with the polished sounds of commercial music. Early examples of lo-fi aesthetics can be found in genres like jazz and blues. Limited recording budgets and simpler technology resulted in a raw, unfiltered sound that captured the energy of live performances. These recordings, often with their background noise and limited frequency range, unintentionally laid the groundwork for what we now recognize as lo-fi. The limitations of analog recording equipment forced artists to be creative. Techniques like tape looping and manipulation, born out of necessity, became integral to the lo-fi aesthetic. These methods added layers of texture and depth, transforming imperfections into artistic tools. The emphasis shifted from sonic perfection to capturing the essence and emotion of the music. The 1970s and 80s witnessed the rise of DIY culture and the cassette tape, further solidifying lo-fi's place in music history. Punk and indie artists, rejecting the polished sounds of mainstream music, embraced the accessibility and affordability of cassette recorders. These portable studios allowed for experimentation and freedom, fostering a new wave of lo-fi creativity. The hiss of tape became synonymous with the underground music scene. Artists deliberately pushed the limits of their equipment, creating distorted, noisy soundscapes that reflected the raw energy of their music. The cassette tape, with its limited fidelity, became a symbol of authenticity and a rejection of commercialism. The DIY ethos extended beyond music production. Cassette tapes facilitated the sharing and distribution of music outside traditional channels. Underground networks of artists and fans traded tapes, bypassing record labels and radio stations. This independent spirit further cemented lo-fi's association with a sense of community and shared creativity. The digital age brought about a resurgence of lo-fi music, albeit with a modern twist. Platforms like YouTube and Spotify, with their vast reach and accessibility, introduced lo-fi to a global audience. The digital realm provided new tools and possibilities for creating and sharing music, leading to a surge in popularity for the genre. The rise of lo-fi hip-hop exemplifies this digital renaissance. Characterized by its mellow beats, jazzy samples, and often incorporated environmental sounds, lo-fi hip-hop found a home on YouTube. 24/7 live streams featuring curated playlists and calming visuals became synonymous with studying, relaxation, and a sense of online community. Digital audio workstations allowed artists to emulate and even enhance the sonic imperfections that defined lo-fi's analog origins. Vinyl simulators, tape saturation plugins, and bit crushers, readily available in modern software, provided tools to recreate the warmth and character of older recordings. This fusion of analog aesthetics with digital technology solidified lo-fi's place in the contemporary music landscape. Lofi's appeal extends beyond its sonic qualities. It has fostered a global community united by a shared love for its unique sound and the emotions it evokes. The genre's association with relaxation, focus and nostalgia has resonated with listeners worldwide, transcending geographical and cultural boundaries. The visual aspect plays a crucial role in lo-fi's online presence. YouTube live streams often feature anime-inspired visuals, pixel art or looping GIFs, enhancing the nostalgic and calming atmosphere. This visual language has become synonymous with lo-fi, further solidifying its identity as a multimedia experience. Lo-fi's cultural influence is undeniable. Its sounds have infiltrated various media, from video games and television shows to advertisements and social media content. The genre's ability to evoke feelings of nostalgia, focus and relaxation has made it a popular choice for creators seeking to establish a specific mood or atmosphere.